Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and viewers. How are you, everybody? Hope you are safe and sound. I am not so well, my dear student. It is long time since we meet. My dear student, the corona situation is still not good, so stay home and stay yourself, not only yourself but also your family members and your neighbors. Okay, my dear. This is Sanjida Akhtar, Kochuar Khamar High School, assistant teacher English. This is from DEO Gaibandha Office Online School. My dear students, I have already discussed about what is articles and what is the how many kinds of articles. This is my second class about articles. This is why I want to share with the uses of articles. And at first I want to discuss about the indefinite articles, the uses of a and an. My dear student, if you think that one of the tips or one of the line is important or quoted for you, is very essential for you, you can note that. So when you sit before my online class, you should use a notebook and a pen, so that you can note something important for your next class. Okay, my dear, let's we start our class. Look at the blackboard. The uses of a and n. The first one is we use a before a consonant sound, but n before a vowel sound. We have already known that there is two type of sound, that is vowel sound and consonant sound. My dear students, if we notice the example, example, we can clear these ideas. A computer, where the sound is consonant sound, and an orange, where the sound is vowel sound, orange and computer. And there is also a consonant there is a sound of vowel. Okay, my dear, the second one is we often use an adjective after a and n. For example, I bought a cheap ticket. Here the cheap is the adjective, so we can use a or n, with the help of the difference between consonant sound and vowel sound. Then the third one is we use a and to talk about something for the first time. For example, I saw Onik yesterday. He was wearing a t-shirt. Here the speaker saw Onik yesterday for the first time, and he saw him that he was wearing a t-shirt. And the number 4, we use a and for a type of job. This job is not specific or particular. Any kind of job. That is, he is a doctor, or he is a doctor, if an engineer, anything else. Okay, my dear, we use the number 5, we use a when proper noun used as a common noun. Proper noun, especially the abstract noun used as a common noun. Then we use a. Use a or an. You are a Tanshen, I see. I think the Tanshen is the abstract noun, I see. That is the abstract, that is the qualities of Tanshen, what I see. The number 6, we use an when a number start with vowel sound. We have already discussed that the vowel sound, before the vowel sound we can use an, and that is, this is an 11 years team. There is a number, and this number is start with vowel sound. 11, that is vowel sound, and then we use n. We use a when something does not show specifically. We already discussed about the definition of article. In an article, we know that article is a word that is used before a noun, whether the noun refers to something specific or not. In this sentence, we also show that the noun is not specific. For example, I need a chair. I need a chair. Here is the chair. The chair is anyone, but that is not particular, and that is not specific. Any chair, any kind of chair. That is red, that is black, that is wooden, that is plastic, anyone. Okay, my dear. There are many of the uses of ANN, but I just pick up some important tips for you so that it can help you to to exercise you when you use articles in your exam. Okay, my dear. Then I want to show you about the uses of the. Okay, my dear. Then come the definite article. Definite article means the particular and specific one. We can notice some of the examples in this chart that will clear the concept about the use of the. My dear student, you can think that why madam discuss about articles. I think when God knows when will the institution will open, and God knows when we will meet again, and when we will enjoy the classes. I think when your school will open, then your exam will knock your door, and then there is no time to prepare you. There is no time to prepare yourself. That is why in these online classes I just, and I not only I but also with the teachers, so want to share with some topics to help you to in shortly that you can sit for the examination, and you can answer your answer script just soundly. Okay, my dear. Then we use the we can see the chart. We use the when we are specifying things or person. When we specifying and the thing or person, then we use the. Specifying means I want the apple which is on the table. That is, there is no any one apple. This apple which is on the table. Okay, my dear. The number 2. We use the if it is clear what we are talking about. We're talking about many things, but if it is clear that what we're talking about, clearly, then we use the. For example, the players were coming into the field. In the field, there were many spectators, commentators, many viewers, and many players. And when we directly, clearly talking about the players are coming into the field, then we use the. We use the with singular and plural nouns, both the singular and plural nouns. In the indefinite article a and n, we only use singular noun before singular noun. We can use a and n, but in the use of the, we can use singular noun and also plural noun. The dog is for example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here the common noun is dog, and we use the. And the second one is I paid for the tickets. Here is the plural noun. Here is the plural noun. And we also use the. Okay, my dear, we can use the for a specific job or title. Okay, my dear, you have already noticed that we can also use a before the job, any kind of, but when there is a specific job, we can use for example, he joined the army. His father is the managing director. Of this company. He can be a managing director in any kind of company. Of this company, that is clear, particular, and specific. That is why we use the. We can use the with an uncountable nouns. Uncountable means there is no countable anything. There is nothing to countable. In this line, we can use the also. The food was good and I enjoyed it. The food. Here the food. The food means not only rice, dal, or everything. Every item is good. Every item was good, and I enjoyed it very much. That is why we use the, because there is uncountable sense. Okay, my dear. Number 6, we can use the with plural countable noun. Here is also plural countable nouns. Countable means which we count, which is count, that is student. We can count how many students we can count. That is why we can use countable noun in plural countable noun. We use the. Here also use the, not a or an. Okay, my dear. We can number 7. We can use the with some of the name of most countries. Some of the countries we know that there are many countries where we do not use any articles, but in some countries where we can use the USA, the UK. For names of countries having various part, because in these countries having various part, that is why we use here the USA, the, but there is no the Bangladesh, the India, because there is no parts. We use the before the superlative degree. We know we have 3 kinds of degree: positive, comparative, and superlative. And so we also use superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we can use the. We use the when adverb used in comparative degree. The more you read, the more you learn. This is exceptional. Okay, my dear. Number 10, we use the before the material noun. Material noun means which have no life, and something gold, metal, anything. For example, the gold of South Africa is pure. The gold of South Africa is pure. Here the gold is specific and particular. In which gold? That's mean which gold? This gold is from Africa. There is also a specific and particular place, and the gold is a material one. Okay, my dear, and then we go number 11. We use the before holy book, newspaper, historical events, and before date, season, etc. For example, the Quran, the Daily Star. We know that the holy books are Quran, the Bible, the Gita. We can use also the from before the date and season, and also historical events. Some types of historical events like the Battle of Palachi, the France Revolution, etc. And also the date. Date like the 10th July or the 4th July, etc. And we also use the before the direction, and before the newspapers also. There is the Daily Star, the Daily Star, the Observer, and many other type of newspapers. Okay, my dear. That is not for all. I think there are many rules which is divided into small parts. I just try to combine them and show them in shortly, that you can use article in your exam. Okay, my dear. I also share with you that want to share with you that there are some places where we do not use articles. There are some places where we do not article, and there are some places where we use article double. So my dear, please aware about the use of articles and practice more and more. If you practice more and more, because you know that practice makes a man perfect. But which practice must be a practice makes a man perfect. Perfect practice makes a man perfect. So my dear, which practice you should do and which practice you should not do, first you identify, then you practice. Okay, my dear, that's all for today. And next I will try my best to come before you with a new topic which will help you to sit for the exam and answer the answer script accurately and clearly and soundly and soundly and correctly. Okay, my dear, goodbye everybody. Stay home and stay safe. Save yourself, and not only yourself, but also your neighbors, family, as well as your nation. Thank you, my dear. Thank you.